Hi friends, today we come to the second week of our mirror work. Today's topic is inner child, loving your inner child. We will see this is a big topic, we will see in the 2 days. So today part 1 of loving your inner child. What is this inner child? However, whatever the age you are, however big you are, there is an inner child in every one of us. The inner child who always wants something from us, who always wants some affection from us, who always want acceptance and love from us. You may be a self-radiant woman, but still you want a care, you want an acceptance from you. The inner child wants a care and acceptance from you. You may be a gentleman with so much self-confidence, but there is a little boy within you who always wants a caring. So, however big, however the greatest professional you are, you still have a little boy and little girl within you who wants a pampering, who wants acceptance, who wants a caring. So, let us take care of our inner child. Let us take care of our inner child. Be happy. Okay, that is our today's topic. So let us go back to inner child. If you want to see how is your inner child, go back to age of 5. So at the age of 5, how you are. Imagine, if you have a picture of you at the age of 5, get that picture and just stick to your bathroom mirror, because it will help you to do the inner work. So imagine the sequence of incidents that happened at the age of 5. Is it that everybody around you are praising? Is it that your mom is saying you don't know that, you don't know this, or something like that? What is going on with your child? Does your child feelings has got hurt? Are those feelings are affecting the thought process in you now? Just imagine, just go back and see what is going on in your life. If that is affecting, let us remove those negative feelings. Let us remove that you can do. You may not be able to do at the age of 5. But now you are able to do it. So let us not continue those feelings. Let us heal our inner child and say that you are super good, you are super cute, and you did all good. So if you tell that, because at the age of 5, nobody, as a child, you doesn't know anything. You are just wandering the world with their wandering eyes. But somebody might have told that, oh, you are not doing that good, you are not doing this good, or you may be getting that, oh, you are an awesome kid. Whatever, if it is a positive, maybe your life is affecting with the positive thoughts. If at all your inner child hurts that time, those feelings or those thoughts may be affecting you now. Okay, so there is always, now also there is always that inner child who is saying that you are stupid, you are not good at that, you are not good at that. Remember, there is always a parent within you also, inner parenting. That parent is always scolding that inner child, oh, you're not good at it, come on, do it, something like that, because there is always struggle between inner child and inner parent. So let us not worry about what is going on in that. Just give a pampering pat to your inner child and say that it did very good. Your inner child is very good and it has done all the good work that it is supposed to do at that time. So today's affirmation is, I am willing to accept my inner child. I am willing to make happy my inner child. So you are going back and you are going back your inner child and you are making her happy, her or him, right? You are making him or her happy by recognizing the good qualities within that. So now today's mirror work. So as I told you, you just put that your 5-year-old thing on your mirror, right? So now sit there and say, now today sit there, if you comfortably sit there, and try to look at the eyes of your 5-year-old kid. How is it feeling? Is that kid is happy? Is that kid is grumpy? Is that kid is frightening? What is going on? Just see the eyes of that kid and see how the feelings are, or what are the feelings that your inner child. Pamper them. Sometimes you may feel that you want to go back and you want to cry, because there may be situations you are actually remembering what is happening that time, right? So put a tissue of papers. Let your emotions come out. Don't worry about it. Nobody is listening. Just let all your emotions come out, so that your inner child will be happy, because many of us will not express our feelings because the society will say, hey, don't cry like a baby. Hey, come on, don't cry like a girl. So everybody, as we saw, the soul inside us is that everybody is having that inner child soul, right? Everybody want to express their feelings. If you don't want to express your emotions, all are getting suppressed. So do not suppress your emotions. Let it come out, all your emotions. So once they are out, you are actually enjoying, accepting your inner child. In that way, your inner child you can pamper and be happy. That is today's mirror work. What is the journal for today? So today's journal is very interesting, friends. That is, take all your crayons or your kids' crayons or your crayons, color pencils, whatever that you have, right? You get all your things. And as I told you, imagine that 5 years old kid and write down, draw the picture of you, the happy picture of you, happy kid picture of you, and draw it, or whatever the things that you wanted to do. Try to imagine everything in that 5 years old kid and draw it. So accept that one, and if you want to change it, what if you have any feelings like you want to express it with that kid, that it is there, because in the journal you can write all the feelings. As at 5 years old I felt this, at 5 years old my mom always compared me with somebody else, or at 5 years old I always wanted to wear the dress that my neighbor want to, whatever the feeling, right? You remember, you just write down all the things so that you will get to know what can make your inner child happy. Do it now, no problem. Suppose that time you want to learn a dance, you couldn't do it, now learn it. Learn or dance for yourself. Nobody is going to see, or you learn that skill now. Anything you want to do, you can do it now, and you can make your inner child happy. The once your inner child happy, you can be happy too. So what is the thought for the day? Thought of your heart today, friends? Today thought of your heart is, I'm accepting my inner child. I'm making my inner child happy. I'm willing to make the inner child happy. This is my this is my affirmation today. So you are making your inner child, recognizing the qualities inner child and making the inner child happy. Okay, friends? Tomorrow we will see continuation of how we can make inner child more happy tomorrow also. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.